Hi, Trimble Connect is widely used in the construction industry to share and view construction elements and to communicate in teams. Our team develops extension to Trimble Connect based on requirements from our customers or if we see a general need. Here is a little example of an app we've made to solve a small issue related to transport planning. When planning transport of steel or concrete construction elements or other industrial equipment, you need to make sure they fit the chosen transport. The Transport Control extension for Trimble Connect helps automate these checks. It compares each assembly against transport size and weight limits and then groups them into categories. This gives you a quick overview of transport needs, show you which elements are oversized and help you plan accordingly. Keep in mind, the extension checks each element individually. It does not calculate full truckloads or the total number of transport required. When you open the extension, you will see three main areas: a toolbar at the top, a list of transport categories, and the result list below showing assemblies mapped to the categories. Start by setting up your transport categories. Start with the default list and customize them to match your available transports. Each category has maximum dimensions, a weight limit, and a check order. You can edit them, add the new ones, or delete categories you don't need. The order of categories matters. They should be ordered from smallest to largest. This way, smaller elements are assigned to the most efficient transport first, while larger items move to the next available category. There should always be a category for the elements that exceed limitation on size and weight. A reset button is always available if you want to return to the defaults. Make sure your IFC model includes element dimension and weight properties. If the model comes from a third party, you may need to map these properties once. Click Read to see the available properties, assign the right ones, and you're ready to start. To run a check, select the assemblies you want to verify. Using the organizer is a convenient way to do this. Then, click Check Transport. The extension evaluates each element, assigns it to the first matching category, and groups the results. Clicking on the category highlights the corresponding assembly directly in the 3D model. Once the elements are grouped, the results can be exported to Excel using Trimble Connect data table. This makes it easy to create structured transport reports and share them with the project partners. With the Transport Control extension, you can adapt transport categories to match your own methods, verify transport feasibility directly in the model, and share clear results with the project team. This helps save time, avoid mistakes, and reduce delays caused by oversized or overweight elements. To get access, visit our website and fill out the request form. Installation instruction will be sent to you immediately. The Transport Control extension can then be added through the Trimble Connect extension menu. Once added to the project, it appears in your extension list and is ready to use. Let us know if you find this useful or reach out if you have specific needs that you want to discuss with us. Thank you!